Guys, it's Karim David right here, back with another video. This video, as you can see by the title, is why you're not balancing shit when it comes to eating. Right? Now, what do I mean by that? You know, everyone keeps talking about, it's all about balance. Having a balanced diet, yada yada yada. I think what absolute bullshit. I mean, let's just say it how it is. Right? For a start, if we're talking about balance, what is balancing? Right? Balancing is like 50-50 split. So are we saying that if we balance, we should have balance of healthy food and then like 50% and then 50% of trash, candy, chocolate, crisp, fizzy drink? Are we really advocating that? Get the fuck out of here. You know what I'm saying? So it's not a 50-50 balance of nothing. And even if you was practicing that, the majority of people that are saying that are a bunch of hypocrites. And the reason why I say that is because they're balancing like 80% junk and trash, hence obesity going up, on the rise, right? And only 20%, healthy eating, if that, or completely 90%, 10%, 100%, 0%. You get where I'm going with this. There's not actually a balance. So when they say it's about being a balance, absolutely not. Absolutely not. Because these same people that are saying that, they ain't balancing shit. Right? And even the healthy one, I feel really strong about this. About the title or what I'm saying. I feel strong about this. Why? Because I feel it's important that it should be 100% real food, 100% healthy food. Doesn't mean, you're just eating salads or one food group and then going off and eating, McDonald's, Burger King. It isn't serving you anything. It's killing you. And I feel that needs to be expressed, needs to be spoken about. It isn't spoken about enough. It's all about balance. No, it isn't. And when it comes to eating good, it's real food versus trash. It's not even really junk food, it's trash. You've got dogs and cats and stuff. Would you feed your pets that trash? No. Right, so why put that in your body? Your body is your temple. So look after yourself and eat well. Right? Now, I ain't even bad if anyone decides they want to do that, then that's fine. But cut out the balance and shit, because it's certainly not 50-50, like 50% or I'm eating healthy and then 50% you're eating good. Right? Like real food versus trash food, right? Or just straight trash, hot garbage, let's say. Right? And I just feel like people that say that's full of shit, or they're just unaware, either or. But it doesn't really matter to me. You should be eating healthy 100%. The balancing act, between that. If you feel that I don't want to eat all this stuff because all these greens, there's many other foods to eat. For example, instead of having Kentucky, if you're a fan of eating chicken, instead of having Kentucky fried chicken, you can grill the chicken. That's healthy. It doesn't have to be all salad or anything like that. If you don't want to, if you want to ease yourself in, do what you regularly eat, just make it healthier. Okay? That doesn't include fast food, junk food, that shit. And I think some of you, that resonates with you. I haven't really heard anybody saying anything like this before. I hope it's a wake-up call, but some of you are smart. You already knew already. It's already in you. I don't even think it's rocket science. It's just people, they fall under temptation. But luckily for me, as I said, I'm the healthy one. The healthiest guy alive. Period. Point blank. Period. I don't fall under that temptation. So I feel it's my responsibility as a human being and to spread the message, because this is my stuff that I have flowing through me, and when I see bullshit, I have to expose it, and that's bullshit. Indoctrinated and told over and over again. And I thought, I just had a little bit of junk food, a little bit of trash. No, fuck that. Healthy food, eat as good as you can. How many more people, if you're a family and you need to die, or you, but people you know of, or people, have to get ill, die before you get the message. Everyone's gonna die, yes, but not down to stuff that can be prevented, like drinking excess alcohol, for example. Right? To the point where you're blind drunk, you've got liver failure, for example. You know, and eating trash food, which is causing illnesses or aiding it. Right? We can't play any games when it comes to this, because if you do, you're gonna get fucked up, straight up. You know, if this hurts you, this resonates with you, good. If it resonates with you, good. If it hurts you, then it's for you. Because you know deep within yourself, you may not even thought it was that deep, but yes, it motherfucking is that deep. It is that deep because you were killing yourself. Okay, I don't know how much you actually realise that when you do that, because not killing you point blank straight away, you think you got away with it. Nah, you haven't. Like when smoking a cigarette says it kills you, and yet people still smoke it. For me, I don't understand that mentality, but it is what it is when it comes to that. Right? But this is about eating, healthy eating, and I believe that the whole balancing thing, we ain't balancing shit. Okay? So we need to really wake up to that fact and start improving ourselves in any way we can. Like I said, start picking healthier food choices, read the label. Right? If you don't know how to read the label, if a lot of people struggle, that's not something we were educated with or anything like that, then, you know, go to KarimDavid.com, right? Do nutrition at KarimDavid.com. Right? We teach you how to read the label. Right? They're giving you like color coding as well, especially in the UK, and I think they have it in America as well, like red, like high, amber, moderate, and then low in yellow, you know, or in green, like it's really healthy, then that's fine as well. But as far as I'm concerned, that's not enough. There's still the numbers, stuff we don't know about, you know. People talk about not knowing the numbers about money and stuff, but not knowing the numbers about what you put inside of you also. It doesn't mean you have to go extreme and calorie count or anything like that. It just means that you know how much grams you be having in your cereal. Like if you're eating like 30 grams of sugar in your cereal, that's far too high. For example, say online Frosties or something, Cocoa Puffs, you shouldn't be eating that shit. It's trash, right? And most of these stuff comes in bright packages, as I said in the last video that I made a couple of weeks ago. It's in a bright box, normally not good for you at all. Not everything, but majority of things boxed up, you know. So you just gotta really make a decision. Are you gonna go 100% in to having healthier food choices, or are you just gonna continue going along and then one day you wake up you got type 2 diabetes, one day you wake up you got a cardiac arrest, you know? Doesn't always have to, and even if you are eating healthy, like I said, it doesn't have to come from one specific group of food. It can come from many sources, so you don't have to get bored. There's many healthy foods to eat, or real food to eat, should we say, because people get lost. Oh god, if you're healthy food, I think salad, this and that tastes like shit in their opinion, so they don't want to do it. There's other stuff, like I said, with the chicken, it can be grilled. Okay, it doesn't always have to be that, so we have to try and change our thinking when it comes to healthy food. Right? A salad on its own is not a meal to a lot of people. I can understand that. Right? But having, for example, some salmon with a salad is okay. Or you can have a grilled chicken, for example, a bit of salad, or not. You know, it's up to you. But this whole balancing acting is a lot of shit. I mean, I don't know what you guys think of that. If you saw some kind of way about it, if it resonated with you, then of course leave me a comment. I'll answer anything. You know, if you've got any other questions, you can ask that. That's basically what I had to say. And for now, I'll definitely be making more videos. You know, so I don't have to worry about that. And yeah, I mean, if you know somebody that needs to know that this whole balancing act is a lot of bullshit, then I'll be very grateful if you share this with them. Okay, and that's it. And of course, I don't know where you're seeing this. If you're seeing this at nutrition at KarimDavid.com, you can always leave a comment there as well, or of course on YouTube. Okay. Well, you might be hating me right now, but you know. The truth hurts. What can I say? It's what I believe in. I believe in myself. I'll speak it. We look up.